What up? I'm back again with another video, and it's Wednesday, so you know what day it is. It's Wish Bus Wednesday, and today we're doing a song by December Avenue called Sa Englan Ing Pagabig, and if I pronounce that wrong, just laugh along with Christian because I cannot say a word that starts in NG. Every time I say Nyon, which is now, he laughs hysterically. It's the funniest thing. Nyon. Anyway, this is a fantastic one. I don't know anything about this group except that it's a very famous video. It's a very famous song, and Christian said, yep, that's the one you got to do. So that's the one I'm going to do. Let's dive right on into it. Wish Bus Wednesday. He said it was kind of a laid-back song. That's all I know. So let's do it. Love that music. Wow.
Wish 1075.
Hanggang kailan ako maghihintay na para bang wala nang papalit sa'yo? Nasan ka man? Sigaw ng puso ko'y ikaw hanggang ngayon. Kung sana.
All right. All right. I wasn't expecting a sad song, and his voice is just so calming and relaxing. I already feel sad and relaxed at the beginning of this song.
1075.
Whew.
Hanggang kailan ako maghihintay na para bang wala nang papalit sa'yo? Nasan ka man? Sigaw ng puso ko'y ikaw hanggang ngayon. Kung sana lamang ay nakita mo ang lungkot sa iyong ngiti, isang umagang di ka nagbalik. Gumising ka nang makita mo ang tamis ng sandali ng kahapong di magbabalik.
Oh. Yo. Ooh. That line right there can apply to so much more. This seems like a romantic relationship he's talking about, but that one line can apply to friends, family, parents. It's wow. Of the yesterday that would never come back. Wow, that's a poetic line right there.
Balik hanggang sa dulo ng ating walang hanggan, hanggang ang puso'y wala nang nararamdaman, kahit matapos ang magpakailan pa man, ako'y maghihintay sa ngalan ng pag-ibig. Hanggang kailan ako maghihintay na para bang walang iba sa piling mo? Nasan ka man? Sigaw ng puso ko ay ang pangalan mo.
Oh.
Kung sana lamang ay nakita mo ang lungkot sa iyong ngiti, isang umagang di ka nagbalik. Gumising ka nang makita mo ang tamis ng sandali ng kahapong di magbabalik. Hanggang sa dulo ng ating walang hanggan, hanggang ang puso'y wala nang nararamdaman, kahit
He's also a great storyteller. I can feel that. I can feel this in his voice coming through. I just want to reach out and give him a hug. He just seems really heartbroken singing the song. Whether it's a true story for him or not, he's emoting it properly.
Matapos ang magpakailan pa man, ako'y maghihintay sa ngalan ng pag-ibig. Hanggang kailan pa ba magtitiis, nalunod na sa kaisip. Huling kapiling kay sa aking panaginip. Ikaw mula noon, ikaw hanggang ngayon, hanggang sa dulo ng ating walang hanggan. Hanggang ang puso'y wala nang maramdaman. Hanggang sa dulo ng ating walang hanggan. Hanggang ang puso'y wala nang nararamdaman. Kahit matapos ang magpakailan pa man, ako'y maghihintay sa ngalan ng pag-ibig. Ako'y maghihintay, ako'y di walang hanggan. Ako'y hanggang ang puso'y wala nang nararamdaman. Ako'y maghihintay, ako'y maghihintay, ako'y
Wish exclusive on Wish 1075.
Wow. Guys, that was like you know what I felt that was? It was almost like a companion piece to Janine Burdine's What If I Miss You for the Rest of My Life. Just in a less obsessive kind of way. This one's just like a quiet in my heart. You're always going to be that one. You were that one from the beginning. You're going to be that one till after forever. Wow. Heartbreaking. Whereas Janine was screaming and whining and wailing. That song was powerful. And this one was powerful in the opposite direction. This one just, you kind of felt, you felt the heaviness of it. You felt the weight of the sadness of the song. It's a great song. I love it. I'm adding that in my playlist for sure. And again, don't laugh at me for the way I say NG, because we don't have words here that start with NG. All of the NGs in our language are at the end, as you know. And so I'm used to saying ing. If I'm going to use NG, it's ing. And Christian always laughs at me. He's like, no, it's nyon. And I'm like, nyon? He's like, no, ion. I'm like, no. I can't do it. Anyway, guys, thank you for going on this journey. And as you see, it is a journey of exploration of Filipino culture and music. I love every single one of you guys, and I appreciate you going along with me. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Does this song bring back any kind of a memory for you or make you think of anybody particular? I'd love to hear your story below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.